Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Where Nature Dreams. This channel is all about showing you amazing places in nature that will blow you away. Today, we're taking you on a journey beyond the usual tourist spots in Canada. We're diving deep into the hidden gems, the untouched wonders that will leave you breathless. While Canada boasts iconic landscapes like Niagara Falls and the Canadian Rockies, a treasure trove of lesser-known natural wonders awaits the discerning explorer. Here's a glimpse into 4 such hidden gems, along with strategies to ensure their continued beauty for future generations. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single adventure. One, Pit Meadows. Located strategically within the Fraser Valley, approximately 45 km east of Vancouver, Pit Meadows is a haven for ornithologists. Pit Meadows boasts over 300 avian species, including migrating snow geese and majestic bald eagles and many more. Explore the vast network of dikes and trails that weave through restored wetlands and fertile farmlands. Spring and fall offer prime birdwatching opportunities. Kayaking and canoeing are popular activities with rentals readily available. Pro tip: pack binoculars and a camera to capture the vibrant bird life. Dispose of waste properly and avoid disturbing nesting birds. Respect designated trails and minimize your impact on the wetland ecosystem. Two, Banff National Park, Alberta. Majestically nestled within the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park holds UNESCO World Heritage Site status. Beyond the iconic Lake Louise lies the hidden gems like Moraine Lake, renowned for its turquoise waters reflecting the surrounding peaks. Hiking through the stunning Johnston Canyon with its cascading waterfalls and emerald pools is a lifetime experience. The park experiences peak visitation, particularly during summer months. Consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, for a more peaceful experience. Pro tips: purchase a park pass in advance to avoid lineups. Explore the park using the well-maintained public transportation system. Practice leave, no trace principles. Pack out all your garbage and avoid picking wildflowers. Respect wildlife by maintaining a safe distance and following designated trails. Threes, Jasper National Park, Alberta. Neighboring Banff National Park, Jasper offers a vast wilderness experience. Witness the ethereal beauty of Moraine Lake, known for its Spirit Island, a lone photogenic tree standing on a small island. Explore the dramatic glaciers of Columbia icefields or embark on a whitewater rafting adventure on the Athabasca River. Considerations: Jasper offers a more remote experience compared to Banff. Be prepared for limited amenities and longer travel distances within the park. Pack for diverse weather conditions as temperatures can fluctuate significantly. Download offline maps as cell service can be limited in certain areas. Environmental responsibility: support the park's conservation efforts through donations or volunteering. Be mindful of fire dangers and follow campfire regulations. What? Prince Edward Island. a charming island province nestled within the Gulf of St. Lawrence, boasting over 8,000 kilometers of captivating coastline. Immerse yourself in the charm of rolling green hills, quaint fishing villages, and expansive red sand beaches. Explore PEI National Park for stunning coastal vistas and abundant wildlife. The island experiences all 4 seasons with vibrant summers and mild winters. Summer can see higher tourist numbers. Pro tip: rent a bicycle to explore the gentle terrain and charming coastal towns. Sample the island's fresh seafood and indulge in the local culinary scene. Environmental responsibility: respect the delicate dune ecosystems by staying on designated trails and avoiding removing plants. Support local businesses that prioritize sustainable practices. Responsible tourism is key to protecting these irreplaceable natural treasures. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into Canada's untamed jewels. These hidden wonders offer a chance to reconnect with nature and experience the raw beauty of this incredible country. For more travel inspiration and in-depth guides to these hidden gems, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you ever visited any of these hidden wonders? Or do you have other off-the-beaten-path Canadian destinations you'd recommend? Share your thoughts and travel experiences with us. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, happy exploring